What's up, guys? My name is Mako, and today we're looking at the next mod for the 2020 Silverado 1500 RST. If you clicked on the video, then you already know we're looking at wheels and tires. Normally this is a mod that I will wait until the current tires or the stock tires go bad. That's just a smart thing to do, but I just couldn't wait. So this is the stock setup for the 1500 on the 2020 RST. The wheels are not too bad, actually nice. This 1500 comes with 20-inch wheels, a 275/60 tire, and the wheel is 20 by 9. Not a bad setup. It's a okay looking wheel, and like I said, normally I would wait until those tires are done so that I can swap them out, but I just can't wait. I'm gonna try something different. In the front is where you're gonna have issues with fitting. The rear, not so much, but the front, this truck has bigger brakes, which you gotta be careful with the wheels. Make sure you have enough back spacing in there, and obviously not a whole lot of room to go with. So I want to do as much as I can without modifying the suspension. I'm open to do a leveling kit, but that's about it. So I did my research. I think I know what would fit, and I'm gonna head out to the local shop and see what I can come up with. By the way, guys, this guy is awesome. So many compliments on it. Recommend it. All right, guys, so we are back now from the shop, and I got myself some new wheels and tires. And this is not to say this is the only set of wheels and tires that will work. This is just what I like, and it works. So if you guys like it, let me know. I can send you a couple links and let you know what to look for. But they do fit, they don't rub, and they look good, I think, in my opinion, which is what matters the most to me. So check this out. So these are the fuel Contras on a 20 by 9 setup, +2, which brings them out just a little bit. The tires are actually slightly smaller than my previous ones. They're 285/55, so slightly wider, but not as tall. But it's not a huge difference. What I do like is how much they stick out. It's very, very small, and this is exactly what I was looking for. I wasn't looking for the off-road look. I was looking for more of a luxury look. So this actually works well. So I also ended up doing a leveling kit. That block right there, that's the leveling kit. It's 2 inches, and it's don't know if I needed it or not for these wheels and tires, but it actually works because it makes it look obviously level, and it looks good. And mainly what I was looking for is the rubbing. Most people have rubbing right in this area over here. There's plastic right in here, they have rubbing, and I don't have that. Cold start. Alright, guys, so that's it for this video. Short. Let me know what you think. I know we all got preferences, we all got things we like or dislike, so let me know if you like him, and if you don't like him, let me know as well. Let me know what you think and why. I think they look good. Hopefully they work. They're not too loud they weren't too loud on the way here, but I will update you guys once I drive them for a while and see how I feel about the tires, because they're new to me. But if you have any questions, let me know.
Hey babe, what you doing?
Huh? Nothing.
Those look like new wheels.
The wheels and stuff.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sweet.
Then what are those?